We are faced with some unique times. I want to tell you something about your Democrat ticket. There's not a person on this ticket, I can assure you, that just woke up one morning and decided, ooh, I smell the winds of opportunity here, and that I'm going to run as a Democrat because I want to take advantage of this year. There isn't a person on this ticket that isn't a true blue Democrat. There isn't a person on this ticket that doesn't truly believe in what they're doing. Everybody on this ticket has a real heart compassion to recognizing problems in this state and trying to do good things for good people. From Commissioner Sparks to Governor Folsom, all the way down, of course, Representative Hall. Everybody on this ticket really, truly does care about this state. And one thing Rhonda did point out, and I want to tell you, Rhonda Chambers, in my opinion, now of all of us running, I really am. I think Rhonda is probably the most qualified person of all of us running. She really is that well qualified. But one of the things that I see on the whole ticket is everybody on this ticket is uniquely qualified for the position they're running for, and they're better qualified than their opponents. And that's something to be proud of. We can be proud that we are Democrats this year in 2010. And we should be proud. I am running for the Alabama Supreme Court. This is my first time to run for a statewide office or political office, period. I'm a lawyer from the Wetumpka, Montgomery area. I've been practicing. I've been a courtroom lawyer for 20 years. I'm past president of the Alabama Trial Lawyers Association and a fairly accomplished courtroom attorney. I've probably taken on about every kind of case a lawyer can take on. But you know what really got me ready to be on the Alabama Supreme Court? Divinity school. I'm one of the few people that is that's running for any office that has a seminary Master of Divinity degree. And the reason I say that is important because my faith is important. I believe that we have got to have a society that cares about other folks. And that's what my faith has taught me. That's what it has given me a part of it. And I believe we have to get back and restore some principles to Alabama. Somebody asked me the other day, what is your judicial philosophy? And are you a strict constructionist, or are you are you going to be an activist judge? And then I started thinking about Judge Parker and my opponent not being very good about turning in their homework. And I said, well, I guess that's an activist judge is a whole lot better than being a lazy judge. But, you know, the thing came down to it is if you really want to know my judicial philosophy, it's very simple. It is found in the good book. It's found in Micah. And that is to do justice, love kindness, and walk humbly with your Lord your God. And it's pretty simple. Because I do believe there is a place in our judicial system where compassion and kindness can be appropriate. I do believe a system should care about individuals that have been hurt. I think that's what I've done for my entire career. For 20-something years, I have fought on behalf of individuals and small businesses that either have been harmed, physically harmed, or ripped off as a part of doing business in this state. And it's a shame. But somebody has to stand up and fight for folks, and I am proud that part of my calling in life is to be an advocate for those who need a voice. I look forward to being on the Supreme Court, not so much to be an advocate for everybody, but to try to restore some integrity to the system. We have a court that is bad out of balance, but more importantly, that is bad with clouds of corruption that surrounds it. We have just launched a website. I've been talking about telling people about there's been more articles written about this Supreme Court in the last 3 years than you can imagine. And every one of these articles have questioned the integrity of this court. Now, I'm not talking about Sue Bell Cobb. I'm talking about the Exxon 8 here, folks. But I want y'all to go to the website. We just opened up this week. And we're sponsoring it. It's very transparent, clearly visible. And it's called JusticeForSaleAlabama.com. JusticeForSaleAlabama.com. And it poses the question, is justice for sale in Alabama? And what we've done is we've put together and brought together a repository of articles written about this court in the last 3 years. We've got between 50 and 60 news items, editorials, articles on the national and the state level that have questioned the integrity of our court. Now, as a lawyer, I'm embarrassed by that. I told a member of the court today, I'm embarrassed by what y'all are doing. Quit blaming the messenger and look at yourself. We've got to correct these images, and as lawyers, we've got to put integrity back on this court, stand up for something we believe in, and quit playing politics.